KD18 Team Bank White and Black is tailored for elite performance and modern style, ideal for competitive athletes. With a $155 retail price, this version is perfect for both solo players and team rosters seeking a uniform yet bold look. A crisp white upper paired with sharp black detailing delivers timeless versatility, while breathable materials ensure comfort throughout long sessions. The KD18's cushioning system has been upgraded for better shock absorption and responsiveness, aiding agility during fast-paced gameplay. Its stable base provides reliable traction for quick cuts and smooth transitions. Reflecting Kevin Durant's dynamic playstyle, the sneaker is both graceful and powerful. Technical enhancements over earlier models emphasize Nike's ongoing commitment to innovation. Whether during training or game day moments, this silhouette blends function and fashion, pushing the boundaries of basketball footwear while celebrating KD's legacy and high-performance expectations.